Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ida, and today I want to show you guys a comparison of using Flexi Rods and Perm Rods on freshly washed hair. I'm going to also compare both foaming mousses from LottaBody and Creme of Nature. So on this side, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature and I'm going to use the Perm Rods. So I already have a little bit of leave-in conditioner in my hair, which is the Curl Junkie Smoothing Lotion. And the way that I secured the actual Perm Rod onto my hair tightly is I always make sure to loop around the Perm Rod on the part that's closest to my scalp. Then I go ahead, take another section and apply that foaming mousse, and I go ahead and brush it with the denim brush. Next time I'm going to brush my hair before I put the foaming mousse because it really wasn't good for my hair at all. And then I go ahead and I wrap it up the same way. So this is what the end result looks like, and now I'm going to go ahead and try out the Flexi Rods. So I'm going to use the same sections on the Flexi Rod side, which is small sections, and I'm going to go ahead brush it out before I put the foaming mousse. And this is the side I'm going to use a LottaBody mousse. I found that there are so many ways to wrap your hair around a Flexi Rod, and I found that this way was the easiest for me as a beginner. And basically all I did was just put the Flexi Rod against my scalp and then just kind of wrap my hair around. And when I got to the end, I made sure to just bend it so that my hair stays in place, and then I moved on to the next section. And so I'm going to try different ways on installing these and see if I get better results. And I go ahead and do the same thing throughout the rest of my hair. You definitely don't have to use as much foaming mousse that I used in this video. I think it's because it was my first time using it. I wanted to make sure it gave me proper hold. And so next time I'm definitely going to use a bit less. And yeah, so this is what the end result looks like after installing all of them in. And I'm going to go ahead and now take them out and show you guys the results. Okay, so I just took out all the Perm Rods, and altogether I counted 21 on the side. My hair feels extremely soft, which I'm very surprised. I thought I was gonna get like a hard, crunchy feel with the foam. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was very, very difficult sleeping in these. I am gonna also try this style with flaxseed gel, maybe next week. I'm gonna do it on stretched hair. Because I have such coily, tight curls, it was very, very hard to smooth it out on these. And it'd be nice to get a bit more length too with the stretched hair, so we'll see how that turns out. I have a little bit of product buildup on here. And I don't even know if this is, oh my god, it's not even completely dry. You guys, 2 days. 2 days. And this piece is a little damp. Can you believe it? This is what low porosity hair is all about, you guys. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Okay, so look at the difference so far. This is my hair with the Flexi Rods. So as you can see, you get a little bit more length with this. And these are the Perm Rods. So I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil, and it's gonna go over my hair. So this is just easier to apply it all at once instead of section by section. I always pull down the hair first, and then as you can see, it naturally starts to separate. And if you want, if you have the extra time and the patience, you can definitely go ahead and twirl it around your fingers. I probably will do it on some of them, but I just have too much hair and not enough patience sometimes, but we'll see how I feel. You know, in the beginning when you start to unravel them, you're like, okay, I have the time, I could do this. And then you get towards like the middle and you're like, you know what? I'm not doing this no more. And then you kind of speed it up and rush it, when really I need to stop doing that. But sometimes you still get good results, or good enough results, you know? Oh, I forgot to actually test the difference between the two different mousses. Hold on, let me see. Okay, so it feels soft here. And then it feels soft here too. They feel the same, to tell you the truth. I don't know, I feel like they feel the same. I would probably say this side is better, slightly, you know, but I wouldn't go out of my way to find either or. I just want to show you guys the difference of what these curls look like when you separate it. But ooh, I'm really feeling these results. Very, very nice. I think I'm gonna start using Flexi Rods more often, especially. Wow, I'm really liking them. So I just twist the opposite side of the Flexi Rod. That helps unravel everything without the frizz. like my hair feels very lightweight, very, very lightweight and fluffy, the heck. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and fluff it out. I kind of focus more on the roots and the middle, not the ends, because I don't want to disturb the curl pattern. For me, if I want more volume, I have to use medium to bigger sections. So on this side I had about 19 Flexi Rods, and this side I had about 21 Perm Rods. So that's a lot of sections, so I would say that's like small sections. But just also want to let you guys know that I had product buildup originally when I was taking them out, but because there were such light flakes from the foam, they're actually all gone now, just by like touching my hair and taking out the twist. So I guess you don't really have to really worry about, you know, using too much of the product, but I just can't get over the results, you guys. I really thought this was gonna be a fail. So let me know, you guys, what side do you guys like better so far? I just can't wait till my hair gets longer, you guys. I want a huge, huge, huge fro. So this is what my hair ended up looking like. I didn't want to pick it up too much because I wanted my style to last all week. And because I have high density hair, when I use small sections like this, my hair is more compact but more defined. And if I use bigger sections, my hair has more volume but less definition. So it really depends on what you're going for. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.